Hello students, here we are to solve the sums of lesson number 4 electricity lesson. Okay, इसमें है जो sums है, we have 4 sums in this lesson. So the very first sum, which is I'll be reading the question orally, okay, and I'll be solving the sum. Okay, so here what things are given to you. Heat energy is being produced in a resistance in a circuit at the rate of 100 watts. Okay, तो watts दिखता है वैसे immediately you can name it as power, right? So this is the power which is given to you, which is of 100 watts, correct? So it is of 100 watts, which is already mentioned out. Then next thing which is given to you is the current of 3 amperes is flowing in the circuit. So current value is given, which is of 3 amperes. Now as we know, power is denoted by the letter P and current is denoted by the letter I. So make it a habit of mentioning this so that it becomes easier for solving the sums. Okay, now current is written, okay, this way. After that, what must be the value of the resistance? So what you have to find is, you have to find the value of resistance in the circuit. Okay, that is हमें R का value ढूंढना है, correct? So what is the formula that you will be making use in this? The formula which you are going to use is P is equal to I square R. This will be a formula, right? So now we'll go on with the solution part. So P is equal to I square R, ये हमारा formula है. तो P का value we already know. We'll just substitute it. 100 is equal to I का value is 3 into R. Now we know the value of 3 square, right? That is 3 square is 9, okay, into R. अब यहाँ पे ये multiplication में, when it comes to on this side, it will become division, right? So 100 divided by 9 is equal to R, right? So that is, we can even mention it in this way, R is equal to 100 divided by 9. दोनों मेथड में लिखो, मतलब तो सेम ही है. तो ये हो गया. You have to simply divide this value and get the answer of R, that is 11.11 ohms. अच्छा, अभी आई होप यू नो दिस फैक्ट कि अगर ये डेसिमल यहाँ पे अगर वैल्यू 5 से एक्सीडिंग होता तो हमें राउंड फिगर करना होता था वैल्यू. ओके, वी हैड टू डू द type of rounding in this. Okay, but since here it is 1 1, we don't have to do the work of rounding. We can simply use it or discard this double one value and we can write it as 11 ohms. ठीक है, यहाँ पे ये दोनों 5 से कम है, इसीलिए हम लोग ने इसे हटा दिया है और सिर्फ 11 ohms कंसिडर किया. सो यू हैव टू राइट द फाइनल आंसर. तो जैसे क्वेश्चन में होता है, विल मेंशन इट इन द सेम वे. द वैल्यू ऑफ द resistance, okay, the value of the resistance is 11 ohms. Clear? This will be your sum. In this pattern you have to solve it. This is the first sum from this lesson. In my next video you will have the next sum. Okay, so I have made 4 videos on this 4 sums. Clear?